Hey guys, today I'm here with Sergej Kunz, co-founder of 1inch. Yeah, really cool to have you here. Can you quickly introduce yourself, maybe one or two sentences, and then also what is 1inch?
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Sergej Kunz. I'm co-founder of 1inch Network. I'm software engineer, software architect for 20 years. 1inch is little bit more than an aggregator of decentralized finances. We do different things. We have wallet where you can store in non-custodial manner your assets. Our main product is the swap. Nowadays we offer swap cross-chain, any token to any token for the best execution without charging any fees. Since we are a community project and investing in onboarding new users who are looking for best execution and best user experience.
Yeah, great. Yeah, especially the cross-chain one is going to be so important if we want blockchain to move anywhere in the future.
True.
Maybe quickly, so what are the trends in DeFi? Like, do you see anything in specific?
Yeah, the trend changed to intent-based approach. So more protocols are starting to integrate intent-based architecture, like Uniswap X did after us. Like I guess it took 1 year after 1inch Fusion when we released the intent-based swap. So maybe to explain, intent-based swap is a swap where user don't create any transactions. User just create aura. It's off-chain aura with a signature from the crypto wallet. What is shared with professional executors who do the execution settlement on-chain and pay the transaction costs. There are some deep benefits. There's some F protection, so no one can sandwich you or front run you. So I see more companies, startups building new intent-based protocols, also highly advanced intents. So I have seen recently one guy came with a presentation they have built in the last 3 years. You can really do complex stuff. You can provide liquidity into Uniswap pool and then let every week pull out the fees and then do something with the fees. For example, make a leverage on Ethereum 10x. So next trend is of course cross-chain. We have 80 billions of US dollars in total value locked. So that means 18 billions of US dollars are available as liquidity in different chains. Ethereum has 55% of this whole liquidity, and we have of course layer 2s, we have Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and people want to easily move funds from one blockchain to another blockchain to a layer 2, and also want easily fast withdraw these assets. It was not possible until I would say now, yesterday when we launched our cross-chain atomic swaps, because like not everyone really understood that there's huge benefit in intent-based approach, and there's also already existing really great technology, atomic swaps. Before, like there were some aggregators, cross bridges, and you got maybe a suggestion, okay, this bridge you should use, and it takes 15 minutes to bridge, and then you take risks. Someone can sandwich you, can front run you, so you get less, and also the money can stuck in between, in the bridge somewhere, like when you do any-to-any swap, cross bridge, then it can be, you make one swap and then it's stuck in the bridge because it cannot be exchanged on the destination chain because the price moved already.
So you don't know what to do exactly.
And then you need to climb by yourself. Then you as a user, you take care about how I do it, and
you want it to be as easy as possible.
Yeah, and intent-based architecture is about what the user want. The user just declare what they want and how it's gonna be happen. You don't care.
Yeah. I mean, this UX issues, it's been quite an issue for quite a long time. And that's why people have been using like SEXs, like the centralized exchanges. With these improvements now made, do you think we are moving? It's time to really move to this world where people, or institutions and retailers will finally start using DEXs and DEX aggregators.
I'm pretty sure that it will happen, that we will face mass adoption for this technology. Not yet now, we have still a lot of things to improve, but it feels already like on centralized exchange. This cross-chain swap at 1inch is like or just normal swap inside of any of these chains we support, it feels already okay. I just do one interaction and it happened, and I get what I have, what was promised to me, you know. So I think my vision is, in maximum 5 years, I want to have stock traded on our technology, on our intent-based, non-custodian technology, since the experience really terrible. When I trade stock, it's highly terrible, yeah. And like if you look on Robinhood, for example, you have heard some stories in terms of like they sell data, yeah. And then user get front run. And when you use a technology where front running is not possible, yeah, that no one really can jump before you and buy a lot of other stock and make money on you, then it will win. Something what is efficient will win.
Yeah, so it's really to the benefit of users. Yeah. So maybe last question. Now that a bank, how can a bank integrate Vonage, and how can they profit and maybe give these profits back to their client?
Every crypto-friendly bank can easily integrate Fusion. We have a developer portal with the integration instruction. Based on the compliance rules, they need to fulfill some regulatory requirements. Some of them, I'm pretty sure, can already do that because we have already compliant environment in terms of our liquidity sources. Our liquidity sources are market makers.
It's important. Yeah.
They pass KYB, they pass AML screening. We have our own compliance in place. One-inch network. It's governed and managed by One-inch Foundation, what is a non-profit organization. We try to set standards in DeFi space, decentralized finance space, Web2 space, for compliance. It's very important that no hackers, no laundered money can be exchanged through our network. And that's why we are using Theorem Labs, we are using some other screening providers, and there's a KYB in place for the liquidity sources. And I think also our goal is to launch also next year a new product where we offer, especially for institutional players, a fully compliant environment with high-grade compliance, what the bank actually need.
Okay, yeah, that's a great take. Sergej, thank you very much for taking the time, and maybe thanks to talk to you another time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.